Proper mounting method is critical to getting accurate, repeatable performance from an LVDT. A well-installed LVDT ensures reliable measurement, long service life, and consistent data you can trust. There are several common mounting methods, and choosing the right one depends on your application. The first method is using precision mounting blocks. Mounting blocks are designed to securely hold the LVDT body while maintaining proper alignment between the sensor and the core. Split collar style mounting blocks are preferred, as they provide even clamping force around the sensor without distorting the housing. Avoid using set screws that press directly against the sensor body. This can deform the housing and negatively impact performance. Mounting blocks are typically made from non-ferromagnetic materials, including plastics such as phenolic and Delrin or 300 series stainless steel. Another method is to use clamps. Clamps can provide a simple and flexible mounting solution, especially in applications where adjustability is needed. As with mounting blocks, it's important to ensure even clamping force and avoid excessive pressure that could damage the sensor housing. Regardless of the mounting method, proper alignment is essential. The LVDT core must move linearly and concentrically within the sensor bore. Any side loading or misalignment can cause friction, increased wear, and inaccurate readings. In applications where alignment is difficult to control, consider using guided core or spring-loaded LVDTs. Threaded LVDTs, often spring-loaded, are designed for easy installation. These sensors can be mounted directly into a hole or bracket, eliminating the need for external mounting hardware. The built-in spring ensures consistent contact with the target, making them ideal for dimensional measurement, surface tracking, and inspection applications. For help selecting the right LVDT and mounting solution for your application, contact our engineering team. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. For additional pricing and technical questions, visit us at hgsind.com. Harold G. Schaevitz Industries. Performance and reliability is our business.